Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters. How are you all? Hopefully you are all very well by the mercy of Almighty Allah and doing great and excellent every day in your English practice video making journey. And today is the day 19 of my English practice video making journey. And today I do not select any topic, any specific topic for discussing or describing, but today I have an interesting news for you, and the news is yesterday I have buy a laptop from the shop of Mirpur, Dhaka, Bangladesh. My laptop price is 39,500 BDT. It's a second hand laptop, it's not new, because new laptop are much more expensive, much more valuable. That's why I cannot buy a new laptop. But before yesterday I was not any laptop. I just watch my classes video on another computers, other person's computers, but I do not have any laptop. So yesterday I buy this laptop, and after buying this laptop I feel extra 10x boost on my heart. That means I have to work more and more and more, and my opportunity are open now, so no one cannot stop me from my achieve my dream, achieve my success, because now I have my own laptop, right? That's why from today, yesterday I already create account on Fiverr and Kwork, but my main focus thing is Fiverr. So I full focused on Fiverr. After when I will get success on Fiverr, inshallah, then I will set up my Kwork Upwork account. But at this moment I'm just work in Fiverr, inshallah. So my laptop price is 39,500 BDT. Maybe I already say that it's not new laptop, it's a second hand laptop, because new laptop are much more expensive, are valuable. So I am not able to buy those laptop at this moment. That's why I am buy the second hand laptop with my budget price, with my reasonable price. So this is my today's topic, and I do not want to make it more longer. Hopefully you are all enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching this video, and listening to me. And from tomorrow maybe I will make my video by using my laptop, inshallah. If I face any problem on my laptop, so I will switch my mobile and I will make my video by using mobile. And today I do not want to make it more longer. I am just finished it for today. And please everyone, do try to do something good and be safe. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.